Hello everybody. Today I will walk you through our newest addition inside of the VaultSpeed application, the Conceptual Modeler. Where can we find the Conceptual Modeler? It's in the second spot in the VaultSpeed sidebar on the VaultSpeed application. If we click it, a new window pops up. It's a catalog explorer with some models underneath. First of all, we will start from scratch. So the first thing we will do is we will create a new conceptual model. We can click the plus sign, give it a name, we can give it a description, like this is a conceptual model around banking. Very easy, but everybody understands now what it means. Next up, a canvas opens. When the canvas opens, you will see a plus sign on the top left. This is our starting point. First of all, we will start creating concepts. I will create 4 now for this demo. Like this, we can move around, drag them around, make it a bit more clear. And a sidebar pops up. In this sidebar, you can see the concept details. You can see a name, description, and relationships. The relationships will be covered in another video further on. So for today, we will only focus on the name and description. You can give every concept a separate name. To stay in the banking theme, we will call this one statements, this one cards, this one accounts, and last but not least, we need to, of course, have customers. Now, we can add a description right here. We can say this is about customers, very easily for demo purposes. If we click it away, you can see it will still be there. Now, what happens if we don't have a name? An error will show up very clearly. A name is necessary inside of a concept. So we will put it back.